beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, guys, so today I have a cleaning video. I decorated my front porch as well in this video. Listen, this video is just a little bit of everything, and I kind of like it like that. So here I am cleaning my closet. I'm actually getting rid of a bunch of stuff because my room was so cluttered with clothes. I went to Ohio and I got some clothes from my mom. And I'm like, you know what? Before I go adding clothes, let me get rid of things that I no longer use or want. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going through all the clothes, and I actually donated it to, I don't even know what it was called. It was like a drop-off thing where I donated all the clothes. I had 8 bags of clothes that I donated. And it felt so good to get rid of stuff because I'm like, I'm never going to use this. I know that I'm not going to use it. I had a bunch of stuff broken, had stains on it that I told myself, oh, you can like stain clean it one day. I'm never going to do it. So I got rid of a bunch of stuff. And it just felt good. What I wanted to say about this video is I wasn't going to post it because it's kind of all over the place, but as I was taking a shower, and you know, in the showers when you do your best thinking, I'm like, that's real life. Like, I mean, of course, we have those days where we clean the whole house top to bottom in one day. But most people don't have time to clean their whole house in one sitting in one day or whatever. Because I don't know about you guys, but I take forever to clean. I get distracted very easily. I start doing one thing and then stop and do another thing and just get distracted. So I normally just clean a few areas in my home a little bit, and then I go to move on and do something else. So that's why I'm like, you know what? Keep it, post it, and let everyone see that not everything has to be done in one sitting. If you don't have the motivation to get your house clean, listen, just turn on a video, watch someone else do it. That's what I do because I'm like, okay, you know, let me clean with that person. I know it sounds weird to some people when they're like cleaning videos. That doesn't make sense. It does when you watch it. It's like when you see someone eating something, now you want to go eat it. It's the same thing. You see people cleaning, you're like, oh, maybe I should go clean my kitchen too. Here I'm actually cleaning my front porch. What do you call this? I don't know. You know, in front of my door. It was a mess. It was actually Hurricane Helene. I don't know what it's called, but it was passing this day. And so I was like kind of just cleaning it off. And then later on in the video, you'll see me decorate for fall because I had not done it yet. And I don't know why I waited so long. My camera was getting foggy because it was hot outside, but it was raining. But anyway, so back to what I was saying. That's what I wanted to do in this video, is just show you guys that, you know, life is busy. Do what you can. Get up, clean your kitchen, sit back down if you want to, or, you know, just get something done. Put on a timer of 15 minutes and say, okay, I'm going to give myself 15 minutes to clean up as much as I can to just make yourself feel better. And normally my kitchen is what I have to clean to make me feel better. Because, you know, a dirty kitchen just doesn't even let me think. But anyway, so here I actually had some, we call them disc in, I don't even know what they're called. I'll show you here. They're like Goya discs that I make empanadas with, and they came out so good. They're super simple. And the only reason I don't make them more often is because I hate the smell of frying. I have a few friends that have like a fryer outside, and they fry outside instead of doing it inside so their house doesn't stink. So I really want to get something like that. But then again, I think I'm like, okay, are you really going to sit outside and sweat to fry something? So, you know, but I really do want to get it because I think that I would do it more often than not. Right now, I don't. Well, that's probably good for my health, right? Not to fry anything. But I rarely fry anything in my house because I can't stand that smell. But this day I was like, you know what? Hurricane is coming. We're going to have some empanadas, and they were so good. So you'll see that in just a second. Like I said, I was just doing all kind of random stuff. Here I'm cleaning my cabinets. I'm like, okay, this needs to be done because one of my kids spilled juice and it trickled down inside the cabinets. don't mind the mess in there. I've tried organizing that, and it's not the organizing, it's me. I'm just unorganized. And my husband, when he puts the dishes away, he just throws everything in there, and like, you know, instead of fighting, I just leave it. I don't even got time for it. But yeah, so I'm going to let you guys watch a little bit here, and then maybe I'll pop back in and say, you know, if I need to explain something else.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you.
I got this from Sam's. It's really big and it's cute.
That everything is gonna be alright. I know that that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.